Hey guys, my name is Emmanuel Malave, and I'm here to talk about the Citizen Scientist Project app version 1.0. First of all, I would like to mention my teammate David Gonzalez, our product owner Nathan Moyer, and our instructor Masoud Sadjadi. This project was brought together by the FIU School of Engineering and Computing Senior Project class of Spring 2018, and in the remaining of this video, I will explain how to install all the necessary components to be able to run, test, or maintain the currently developed system. Before any software can be installed, it is important to make sure you have all the necessary hardware components. These components include a computer that is running Mac OS with High Sierra or above, a processor with 2.5 GHz or above, RAM of 8 GB or above, or a graphics card that is similar or better to the NVIDIA GeForce 320M. The first step in installing the system in your computer would be to install Xcode 9 or above. This is the IDE that we use to develop the system. The first step would be to open the App Store application inside your computer. Inside the App Store, search for Xcode in the search bar. After you find the results for your search, click on the button by the Xcode icon that says Get. The button will turn green and change the text to say Install App. Click on the button again to start the installation process of Xcode into your computer. Once the application is installed, you can go over to your applications folder in your computer to find the Xcode launcher. Click on the launcher to start the application and check for any updates. The second step to getting a copy of the system installed in your computer would be to download a copy of the project files. To do this, go to the GitHub repository for the project. You can find a copy of this link down in the description. Once inside this link, inside the master branch, click on the green button to the right of your monitor that reads Clone or Download. After you click this, a pop-up screen should come up. Inside this pop-up screen, click on the Download ZIP button. This will begin downloading a ZIP file. After the ZIP file is finished installing, you can extract it and should be presented with a folder containing all the project files. The next step would be to actually open the application. To do this, open the project files folder that you just downloaded. After you open this folder, you would see 5 other folders. Click on the code folder to start finding the application source file. Inside the code folder, you will find the install guide, user manual, a README file, and another folder labeled iOS application. Click on the iOS application folder. From here, click on the Citizen Scientist Project folder. Finally, click on the Citizen Scientist Project.xcode project file to open the application inside of Xcode. The final step involves actually running the application on your device. Once the Xcode environment loads, you will see on the top left a button with an iOS device icon or some text saying generic iOS device. Clicking on this button will reveal a pop-up screen with more options in which you can run the application, including your personal phone. Inside the Xcode environment, also go to the Citizen Scientist Project General section. In there, you will find various different subsections around the middle view. From these, go into the Signing section and click on the Teams option. To sign the Xcode environment and be able to run the application, make sure to select your name here. After you have signed the application and pick the device which you wish to run the application in, you can click on the Run button on the top left of the Xcode environment and install and run the application on that device. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any more interest in our project, make sure to see the rest of the videos inside of our playlist. If you want to contact either me, my teammate David Gonzalez, or our product owner Nathan Moyer with any further questions, make sure to email us